All right, here we are in the field. I did a test of the Snow Peak Bipod stove at home. So now we're in the field to see how it works in real life conditions. We're at 9,600 feet at an undisclosed location in the Sierra Nevada mountains near a beautiful lake. And what we're going to cook tonight is Mountain House Italian pepper steak, two packages. I think it's 2.5 servings per person, so that's about right for 3 people. We also added a cup of brown minute rice to bulk it up a little bit. So normally the pepper steak takes about 6 cups of water. We're adding 2 extra cups to handle the minute rice and give me a little extra fluid. So this is a 2.5 liter MSR titanium pot that we put 2 liters of water in. And we'll mix that up a little bit later. So first we need to get the stove started. So we tried the piezoelectric starter, which works. It worked at home. But up in the mountains when it's cold and high altitude, it doesn't seem to be able to light this stove reliably. So we're going to switch to our secondary method, which is the flint. Okay, so we're going to turn on the gas and try to get it lighted. All right, it worked. Then we put the windshield that I scavenged from MSR white gas stove that I modified for this use. That's been really handy here at the lake because it's very windy. We're right next to the lake. So. All right, so this takes about 5 minutes to boil, so we'll come back in 5 minutes.
Okay.
All right, so about 5 minutes later, and as you can see, our water's boiling, so we're going to turn it off. And I wanted to show you what kind of fuel we're using. We're using Gigapower Pro ISO. So it's got propane and isobutane, which is the best fuel you can use at altitude. It always works. So what we're going to do is, first we're going to reserve some of the water, because if we poured this big package into this, it would overflow immediately. So we're going to take out about half a cup of water, maybe 3/4 of a cup, and then we're going to put it back in at the end. So I'll put it in my cup here. This will stay hot. All right, we're not going to show you pouring it in because it takes 3 people to do it, or at least the way we did it. So I am going to use the spoon to stir it in as we go, so you'll be able to see the final result. It's kind of a freeze-dried meal. You want to wait 15 minutes to let it reconstitute. And so you're no danger of burning it because you turn the flame off. And here's the reveal. Ooh, it's really thick. So the minute rice sucked up a lot of the water, and we have a little over 2 liters of Italian pepper steak dinner tonight. That's going to taste really good. All right, see you on the next video. Beta Cygni blog signing out.